So birds follow me everywhere. They're squawking. I don't know if you can hear them. I mean, sitting on the sofa, all the doors are open because it's beautiful weather. And when I was visiting, there's one. When I was visiting up in West Virginia, I had the same thing happen, but I could see them. I just saw a bunch flying by. Let's see if we can find some of these guys if I can get it to my little zoom in there. There's one. So I'm pretty sure they're blackbirds, crows, something. But they are just talking to beat the band. You have to listen to the creatures. They'll tell you everything, man. We've had some major wind here. We've had the plants down. Overcast. Not like Florida at all. But hey, listen to them.